Today, we're going to be learning how to request money from someone on Venmo. And you're going to see step-by-step instructions on the screen right here for you. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is we want to hit the blue button in the bottom right corner of the screen that says Pay or Request. And as you can see, you have the option to search their name, username, phone, or email. In this instance, we're going to go by name. And once we see the person that we are going to be requesting money from, we're going to go ahead and click on their profile. From here, you will have the link to the person's profile from whom you are requesting funding, and you will have the amount that you are requesting. In this case, we're requesting $25. And an important note for either paying or requesting on Venmo is you do have to put a note in here as well. You can either do it in words or emojis. For this instance, we're going to say video, and we'll make it a cute little camera. Another important thing to note here is that in the middle of our screen, you will see a friends icon. And from here, if we click on that, you'll be able to determine who can see what you're requesting funding for. So if you're okay with everyone on the world seeing it, you can make it public. If you decide that you only want your friends to see it, you can keep it on the default friends setting. Or if you want it to be no one able to see it, you can go ahead and click on private. For this instance, we're going to click on the friends option. And from here, you will have two options to click on. You can either submit a request or pay that person. Again, for this video, we're going to hit request. And once everything looks good, we'll see at the bottom of our screen, the green bar that says we are going to be requesting funding from our contact. So once we click on that, it'll automatically send our request out to our person. And if we pull down on the screen, it'll refresh it. And as you can see here, it pops up on our timeline that we have charged our contact $25 for video. And this charge only happens once they have approved the request for funding that you sent them. And within a minute or two of our contact submitting the funding that we requested, you can see that it has become instantly available in my account. Next, we're going to be teaching you how to send money on Venmo. Click this video right here to learn step by step how to do it.